California. The sun is always shining bright.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to this week's Motivation Monday video. I actually filmed the content for this video yesterday, so if you're wondering why I suddenly am wearing a different outfit in a moment, that's why. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. Every Monday I upload a Motivation Monday video which will be focused around cleaning or organising, something to really get the week going. I upload other different videos during the week as well, but that's what I like to do on a Monday. So if this is your first time joining me on my channel, then hi. So this week's Motivation Monday is all about totally resetting and restyling my kitchen cabinet. So in my kitchen slash dining room slash family room through there, I have a big sort of IKEA cabinet, and I've never really been happy with the way that it looked. So I thought I had a few new things as well. If you'd seen my latest Primark haul, you'll know that I've got a few new home things. And I thought I'm going to empty it, clean it, and completely restyle it from scratch. So that is what you're going to see on this week's Motivation Monday. If you're wondering what's in the cupboards below the shelves, that's Leo's making cupboard. So it's full of his paints, pens, art stuff. To be honest, it needs a really good organising there as well, but I'll save that for another video. So yeah, happy Monday and let's get going. So the first thing I wanted to do was just lay out all of the items that might go in the cabinet. I won't necessarily use all of these items. I just wanted all of the possibilities in front of me, so I laid them out on the dining table so that I could have a good look and that I knew what my choices could be. I will tell you where everything is from during the video because these are all from different places, so stay tuned to find out where everything is from. So the first thing I want to do is obviously polish and clean the unit. I'm going to use the Fabulosa surface polish to do this. It smells amazing and it's my favourite furniture polish at the moment. So I'm just going to clean all of the shelves, make sure they are dust free before I start styling them and dressing them. When I begin to get myself together again. So the first item I put on the unit was this wicker tray from Primark Home. I ended up having it the other way round because it wouldn't stand up, and the two glass jars in front of it are from IKEA. So I wanted to put these bunny tails in the tall vase, so that's the first thing that I did. I just arranged the right height ones within the vase. I thought they looked really great inside of there. And then this is the IKEA eucalyptus, which I'm going to pull apart and cut into bits so that it will fit into the small jar. You can literally pull the leaves off, or you can use scissors to cut off the twigs. I did a bit of both so that it was a mix of twigs and leaves in there, and then I just arranged them within the vase or jar.
I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again.
What I'm thinking for the future as well is that these vases and jars can be really seasonal, and I can change what's in them according to the season. So we've got Easter coming up soon and I might change it, put some eggs or something in there. So yeah, they can be really versatile.
Now I have to get over you again.
I definitely want to put photos in the cabinet. I have photos everywhere in my house. I only use black and white photos as well because I just love them. So here's one of the boys. I'm going to give it a good polish just using a surface wipe, and I'm going to pop that on the bottom shelf of the cabinet along with this IKEA diffuser. So this is the White Company book for the love of white. I got this off Amazon and I just love the way it looks styled on a shelf. So I'm just going to put this on the middle shelf here with my favourite book of all time, Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King. I read this book every week probably. So I'm going to put those two together with this little vase from Tiger on the top, and I thought they'd look really cute as a little trio. And then these two little cups I also got from Tiger. They were about £1 each, such bargains, and I ended up moving the reed diffuser up to the middle shelf because I thought it looked much better up there.
Have to get over you again.
For the top shelf, again, I'm going to put a black and white photo because I love photos, as I said, so I'm going to give this a polish and put it in this corner. And then in the other corner, I've got this gorgeous white vase that I got from Primark Home to put on the other side. And I'm going to finish off with a bit more greenery, a little pop of colour with this hanging plant that's also from Primark Home up in the top corner. And there you go. It's nice and simple. It didn't take me long, and I think it looks really effective, really beautiful, and I'm so happy with the cabinet. Like I said, I might change it seasonally according to different times of the year, but I am so chuffed with the finished look.
And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going.
So there you go, guys. There was this week's Motivation Monday video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're feeling motivated and ready for the week. Anything the week throws at you, you can handle it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you very soon in my next one.